Hello everyone. Today again I am with the new topic mirror formula. So let us see. First of all, you should know how to form the ray diagram. Here is your object, AB is your object, and if light ray is coming from B point parallelly to principal axis, then after reflection it will pass through focus. And the second is what? When light passes through center of curvature, after reflection it reflect back on the same path. Okay, so now you can see here AB is object, P is pole, F is focus, C is center of curvature. Okay, and the image formed by the concave mirror is always inverted and real. So this will be what? A dash and B dash. It is image. Now from the sign convention, you know that the distance measured on left side of the pole is always taken as negative, right side taken as positive, similarly upward positive and downward negative. So here all the object, all the names, all the alphabet is on the left side, so we have taken every distance in negative. So you can see distance of object from the pole to object pa is what? Minus u. Distance of image from the pole pa dash is what? Minus v. Distance of center of curvature from the pole pc is what? Minus r. And distance of focal length pf is equal to minus f. Now you all have to know what is similar triangle. So we all have studied about the congruent triangle. In the congruent triangle, after the congruence, the corresponding sides or the corresponding angles were equal to each other. But in case of similar triangle, similar is not like congruent. In similar triangle, after two triangles are proved similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. It means the ratio of their sides must be equal. Suppose this is a triangle, ABC, and this is a triangle PQR. And if these two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles must be equal, no doubt. But the ratio of their corresponding sides AB upon PQ must be equal to BC upon QR must be equal to AC upon PR. In case of similar triangle, the corresponding sides ratio must be proportional. Okay, so here we have taken the triangle ABC, this triangle, and the triangle A dash B dash C, A dash B dash C. So in triangle, in both the triangle, you can say angle BAC, it is forming 90 degree. So angle BAC is equal to angle B dash A dash C, both are 90 degree. And angle ACB, this angle ACB is equal to angle angle A dash C B dash by vertically opposite angle. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B dash C by angle similarity. Just like in congruent triangle, we were making angle, side angle, side. Similarly, in similar triangles are some rules are there. So one of the rule is what? By angle similarity. So both the triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C is similar by angle similarity. So as we have proved, both the triangles are similar, so their sides ratio must be proportional. So AB must be AB upon B dash A dash or A dash B dash is equal to CA upon CA dash by CPST by corresponding parts of similar triangle. This will be your equation first. Similarly, we don't need to prove it again. Similarly, triangle MDF and triangle A dash B dash F, they both must be similar. So their corresponding sides is what? MD upon A dash B dash, MD upon A dash B dash, and MF upon A dash F. This will be your second equation. Now here I have written, since aperture of mirror is very small. Aperture is what? The diameter of the spherical mirror. Aperture is very small, then these 2 points, this M and P, can be taken as single point. It means they will be very close to each other. So MF can be written as PF. So MF can be written as PF, and you can see these lines are parallel. This BD line is parallel to AP. So distance at every point must be equal in two parallel lines. So AB must be equal to DP or MD. Okay, so AB is equal to MD we can write. So these values we can put in equation second. In place of MD we can write AB, and in place of MF we can write PF. Okay, so this will become AB upon A dash B dash is equal to PF upon A dash F. This will be our third equation. So on comparing equation first, this equation first, and equation third, this, both LHS are same, it means the RHS must also be same. So CA upon CA dash from first equation must be equal to MF upon A dash F in third equation. Okay, so one of the rule in for measuring the distance in this chapter is given that every distance must be measured from pole. हमको कोई भी डिस्टेंस मेजर करने के लिए कहाँ से मेजर करना पड़ेगा? पोल से. ओके, आई लेट मी. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी द डायग्राम ऑल्सो. सो CA, you can see here CA we can write PA minus PC. For CA we can write PA minus PC. So PA minus PC. Similarly CA dash for CA dash PC minus PA dash. PC minus PA dash is equal to, here already it is measured from pole, so PF will remain as PF, and A dash F can be written as PA dash minus PF. PA dash minus PF. So now we can substitute all the values. So PA is already what? Minus U. PA is already minus U. Here you can see, and PC is what? Minus R, and upon PC again minus R, and PA dash minus V. Similarly PF is minus F, and this PA dash is minus V, minus PF is minus F. So this minus will be plus, and here also minus will be plus. So here you can cross multiply. Okay, you can cross multiply. So minus U minus V will be plus UB, minus will be plus minus U into F, UF, R plus minus V into R, VR, plus R into F, RF is equal to minus plus R into F, RF or FR, same, minus plus minus VF. This FR will cancel out each other. Here you can see UV minus UF and VR. In place of R, you have studied the radius of curvature is 2 times its focal length. So R must be equal to 2F, and V was already there. So it will become minus 2 VF is equal to minus VF. This minus 2 VF will shift on RHS side, will become plus 2 VF. So plus 2 VF minus VF will be VF only. So UV minus UF is equal to VF. So this minus UF can be shifted on RHS side. So UB is equal to VF plus UF. Now we can divide all the terms by UVF. We can divide all the terms by UVF. So UV upon UVF will give 1 by F. VF upon UVF, VF will cancel 1 by U, plus UF upon UVF, UU will cancel out, FF will cancel out. This will be 1 upon V. So this is the way to prove the mirror formula. I hope you like it, and we will come back very soon with the lens formula. Thank you, and subscribe this channel.